And what is going on, you guys? It's your boy Anthony here, and today, give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that wait. I had to, I had to do something quickly. So it's nothing important, just some little thing I had to do. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be reacting to Snack Time Father's Day. So this video was posted 1 day ago, I believe, or like yesterday. So yeah, let's react to it. If you haven't seen it, but first, if you haven't seen it for yourself, make sure you do it in the look up Snack Time, and then watch it for yourself before I react to it. Okay, I don't know why I did that. That was so weird. But anyways, if you haven't seen it for yourself, make sure to watch it first. But if you've already done that, let's just do this reaction. 3, 2, 1, go.
Snack time! Hey, are you doing anything for Father's Day?
I'll probably call my dad.
No need. I flew him here as a surprise.
Dad?
I missed you, Chip.
I love you, Dad!
I love you too, son.
I'll get the vacuum.
Ooh, a Dyson.
Okay, guys, so that was the reaction video for Snack Time Father's Day. As you can tell, I really had nothing to say about this video. It was only 34 seconds. Nothing too interesting about this. It was just all about like his father coming in and they were hugging, then the flower just popped and really didn't make me crack up. So not really like, I mean, it was a reaction, but I mean, nothing too exciting that I was going to think this would happen. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys, this is my second reaction video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Snack Time. This video is not too bad, I guess. And subscribe to my channel as always. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. See you later, my YouTubers.